Hello, my dear children, welcome back. I hope everyone is doing well. Today, we will be learning from a new topic, and the topic is living things. All living things that we see around us are either living or non living. Human, plant, animals are examples of living things. Air you breathe, water you drink, land on which you walk, book you read, house in which you live, and the sun that lights our day are all examples of non-living things. All living things need food to obtain energy, to grow, and to stay healthy. Are you a living thing? Yes, you are. And we all are living things because we eat food, drink water, breathe, and do so many things. We can't stay healthy if we skip our meals. Do the animals have food? Yes, bird, dog, lion, tiger all need food to live. None of them can stay healthy without food. Even plants prepare their own food with the help of sunlight, soil, and water. Non-living things do not move on their own. They need to be moved by living things. They do not breathe, do not eat, do not grow, do not feel, and do not reproduce. Some examples of non-living things are toys, pen, bag, pencil, stone, book, etc. A car moves. Then why is a car not a living thing? A car moves on the road, but it cannot move on its own. It needs a driver to start the engine and move it. So a car is not a living thing. Living things respond. All living things respond to changes around them. When living thing responds, there is a change in its action or behavior. Example, the Venus flytrap closes when it traps a fly. What is the meaning of nutrition? The process of taking in nutrients from foods, carbohydrates, proteins, water, vitamins, and minerals. These are the types of nutrition. Like we have learned earlier, all living things need food to live. Some living things depend on non-living things for their survival. All living things need food and water to live. Food gives us energy to do our work. We eat fruits, vegetables, water, drink, juice, meat, etc. to keep us healthy. Animals like cow, buffaloes, deer, goat eat grass. But whereas there are some other animals like lion, tiger, leopard, they hunt other animals for their food. Most of the bird eat small insects and grains. Plants are the only living things that make their own food. Some living things depend on the plants for their food, but whereas non-living things do not need food and water. Living things need nutrition. Eating food is called feeding. All living things need food to move and grow. What do you mean by growth? Growth, it is defined as a gradual development in maturity, age, size, weight, or height. All living things have young grow, and an adult is fully grown. The weight and height of the living thing increase as they grow. Let us see the life stages of a human being. Stage 1. Baby. Baby from birth to 1 year are called infant. Babies usually feed on mother's milk. Newborn babies can breathe, cry when they feel hungry, cold and hot, or any other uncomfortable situation. Stage 2. Toddler. A baby gradually grows into a toddler. It learns to crawl and then walk, run, jump, eat by itself, identify things in its surrounding. Stage 3. Child. An advanced form of the toddler stage. Childs start to improve their motor skills as well as their vocabulary and conversational skills. A child will begin to be able to do basic things such as dress themselves and go to the bathroom on their own. Stage 4. A child grows into an adolescent, also known as teenagers. Both the boys and girls will be taller, heavier, and stronger. Adulthood. People who are from age 20 years old are adults. Adult can be divided into young adults, 20 to 36 years, middle-aged adult, 36 to 55 years, older adults, 55 to 65 years. Plants grow in stages too. We have to sow the seed in the ground, and after that, the seed began to grow. And after that, a young plant becomes a fully grown flowering plant. Here are some of the young ones of some animals: cat, kitten, pig, piglet, cow, calf, tiger, cub. When we grow, our height and weight increases. Plants also become taller and heavier. Living things grow, they also change. A seedling grows into an adult plant. An egg grows into a chicken. Living things can move by themselves. Humans and animals can move on their own. They require energy to move. Why is movement important? Movement enables animals to look for food, shelter, and to escape from danger. Animals move in search of food, water, shelter, and to protect themselves from enemies. Some they have to travel long distances. They have developed special skills like run, jump, crawl. Some of them walk upside down, climb trees, and even walk backwards. Plants are living things. They do not move like animals and human beings, but leaves, flowers, and seeds move. Flowers generally grow in the direction of the sun. Most animals walk on their legs. Birds and bats use their wings to fly. Fish use their fins to swim. Living things have young. They reproduce. Reproduction is the process in which a young is produced from its parents. Some animals give birth to young, whereas other animals reproduce by laying eggs. All living things will die one day. If a kind of animal did not reproduce, there would be no more of its kind left. When this happens, we say that animal has become extinct. When an animal reproduces, a young is born. The young will grow to look like its parent. But the plants neither give birth to babies nor they lay eggs. Fruits of plants contain seeds inside them. Plants reproduce from seeds, but there are many plants like Birophyllum reproduce from leaf and rose produce from stem. Owls and birds protect the young ones. They prepare a home, feed the young ones. Whereas some birds like cuckoo do not make their nests, they lay in some other nests. As we have different homes, animals and birds also live in different homes. So before I conclude the topic, let us learn the homes of some animals. Rabbits, they live in a burrow. Mouse lives in a hole. Dog, kennel. Horse, stable. Bear, cave. Ant, anthill. So that's all for today. I hope you have understood. Till then, stay safe and I will see you soon.